Now this is all good said and done, but how does it actually work on the different types of floors that we have? And here we have 3 types of floors. Remember, this vacuum comes with a dedicated tool for carpets and a dedicated tool for bare floors. You will take the most advantage if you use the right floor head for the right floors. But let me show you anyways. Now, the biggest point of this machine, the idea with the S1 Electro is I want the most compact, lightweight machine that is powerful and as effective as it can be on carpets. That's the whole point. The Electro for the electric power head that it gets. And these carpets can be low to medium pile as well as area rugs, no problem. Now there's a couple of different things you need to know about this power head, so let me show you. The power head that you get with the Electro is called the SEB 217-3. It's been around for a long time. It's one of the most popular power heads Miele has been making. And it's also the lightest electric power head Miele makes, which is great. Now, it doesn't have any height adjustable settings, and that's why we insist that it probably is a better idea if you use it on low to medium power carpets. If it's super plush carpets, then the other power heads Miele makes probably would be a better idea. But for most homes, this is good enough. It's more than good enough. Now, let me show you a couple of tips and tricks when it comes to this power head. By the way, as mentioned, if you have pet hair on any of these floors, as long as it's low to moderate amounts, no problem. Now with the Electro, you get a very powerful motor and you get suction settings. For people who keep asking, well, why do I need suction settings? I just want to go maximum on everything. No. Look, it's a very powerful machine, and when you want to use it for your upholstery, cleaning curtains, or any delicate areas, you will appreciate the control that you get as far as how to manage all of that suction. Even when it comes to carpets. As a matter of fact, because this power head cleans the carpets in a way that it agitates it and takes all the dirt to the top of the pile, it doesn't require maximum suction for it to then deep clean your carpets. Let me show you. It actually has a setting for carpets. It's the 3rd suction setting on this machine. It's not the maximum, it's one below the maximum. The maximum suction setting is dedicated for bare floors, and I'll show you how to use that with the parquet twister. But so far, let's clean carpets. Now, you turn the machine on from there, and you actually get a switch on the handle that turns that power head on. When you turn the power head on, this light turns on and it turns amber. Let me show you. We're going to use it on the thick carpet, and it's obviously a breeze. Very easy. If I feel like the power head is sticking to the floor, I reduce the suction and then we're good. Okay? Same power head on flat carpets. It's a piece of cake. It's done. Now, here is a question a lot of people ask. Yes, I know I get the best tool possible for bare floors, but what if I was too lazy and I didn't want to change the floor head from carpets to bare floors? No problem. You actually have that switch which allows you to turn the power head off. So when you are using that power head on bare floors, just make sure you turn the brush roll off so it doesn't spin. You don't need it spinning. And then yes, you could actually use that head on bare floors, and it's actually a really good head on bare floors because it does have edge-to-edge cleaning as well. Let me show you. So right now we have the power head on. We're going to turn it off, and we're going to come around here. It's just super easy. We don't need the brush roll spinning either. Okay? So yes, you could technically use this power head on all types of floors without a problem. But you are going to miss out if you don't use that parquet floor on your bare floors. And I'll show you why. The parquet twister is designed with a twister neck that maneuvers really nice around and under things. And it kind of glides over any surface so nice and easy that it's a pity if you don't use it on your bare floors. So, look at this. Very easy. Forwards and backwards. We're not even on its highest side. We're actually, just to show you, we're on the second lowest suction setting here. We haven't increased it yet, but we're done. Look, as far as power is concerned, as far as suction is concerned, if this doesn't do it for you, I don't know what will. It's as powerful as any other Miele vacuum cleaner. And Miele's are really, really powerful vacuums.